right, so this here is our Kodak Mini Shot 3. Overall, a cool looking retro camera that's also a printer. So we have the white version, comes in a yellow version as well. Kind of rotate the box about. Kind of talks about more terms and details. So it weighs about 370 grams. So it's pretty lightweight for a camera of its size. All right, let's open it up. So we have ourselves a user guide here on the left, and then on the bottom here we have ourselves a USB-C cable as well as a wrist strap. So it definitely has a nice retro look, texture that you see in the older cameras. So you do have a screen here on the back, switches, you have your photo button here on the top, and it looks like a power button too. We have our slit here for our film to come out. So there's a little slot here on the bottom that you just go ahead and lift open just like this. And then this will house our cartridge. So just go ahead and pull it out just like that. And inside here is some film as well as ink. So it's like a 2-in-1 kind of situation. Once you're done, you just kind of toss it out and swap it out and just kind of clips into place like this. And that is it. So let's turn it on. Simple on-off button here on the top. You got an LCD screen lighting up here. It says Kodak Instant 2-in-1. Okay, we hear some windingness. We have a nice little display kind of seeing exactly what we're looking at. That is really cool, look at that. And you can go ahead and move it around just like this. And you can actually see you have your menus. So if you click on border, borderless, monochrome, normal filter, flash off, self timer, selfie off, in different settings as well. Cool, so it's got this little mirror here on the front, so you can actually see what you're seeing. So it definitely uses like a, alternative way of seeing what you're looking at. So let's see if this picture comes out good. 3, 2, 1, and okay. And then it says, do you want to print this? I don't like that, so I'll take another one. Okay, and then I'll hit print. So it says preparing, warming up. It's doing something. Oh, look at this. So it does it layer by layer. So first we'll do yellow, which it just printed. Now it's doing magenta. And cyan. And now it's going to do a film on top of it. A little laminating. That was cool. And it just kind of spits it out. What? Look at that. That's me. So that's actually really cool. So this is a 3x3, definitely a really cool photo printer, especially if you're doing like scrapbooking or you're just out and about and you want to take a photo on the spot for memories. That is actually a really good quality camera. So definitely great in terms of printing photos on the go or on the spot, I'd like to say. And I love the fact that it has a nice retro aspect, definitely very trendy. It is not too heavy, but again, it's not too light. So it's just about in the middle in terms of weight goes, but definitely gives you a nice solid feel. And then on the back here, you do have a screen. You have a variety of different toggles. So you can go ahead and put filters, or sorry, built-in filters. You can turn on the flash, turn off the flash, and then just typical stuff that you see in a camera. Other than that, really cool product. And now if you guys had any questions about this particular Kodak camera, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.